Before diving into this fascinating topic, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content about the latest in technology. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, smart devices have emerged as a cornerstone of modern living. From wearable fitness trackers to AI-powered home assistants, these innovations have seamlessly integrated into our daily routines, enhancing convenience, connectivity, and efficiency. This article delves deep into the groundbreaking advancements in smart devices, exploring their current state, transformative potential, and the challenges they pose. As technology continues to progress at an unprecedented pace, understanding these developments is essential to appreciate the profound impact smart devices have on society. 1. The evolution of smart devices. Smart devices have come a long way since the first iterations of mobile phones and personal digital assistants, PDAs. Early versions were limited in functionality and connectivity, primarily focusing on basic communication and productivity tasks. However, with advancements in wireless technology, miniaturization of components, and the advent of cloud computing, smart devices have evolved into versatile tools capable of performing complex tasks. Key milestones in the evolution of smart devices include the smartphone revolution. The release of the iPhone in 2007 marked a turning point, combining communication, computing, and internet access in a single device. The rise of wearables. Fitness trackers like Fitbit and smartwatches such as the Apple Watch brought health monitoring and notifications to the user's wrist. Voice-activated assistants. Devices like Amazon Echo and Google Home introduced natural language processing, enabling users to interact with technology in more intuitive ways. IoT integration. The Internet of Things, IoT, has allowed devices to communicate with each other, creating smart ecosystems in homes, workplaces, and cities. 2. Cutting-edge technologies in smart devices. Smart devices are powered by a variety of advanced technologies that continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. Some of the most significant advancements include 2.1 Artificial Intelligence, AI. AI plays a crucial role in enabling smart devices to learn, adapt, and respond to user needs. Examples include personalization. AI algorithms analyze user behavior to provide tailored recommendations, such as music playlists or fitness routines. Natural language processing, NLP. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa use NLP to understand and respond to spoken commands. Predictive maintenance. AI helps devices anticipate issues, such as identifying when a smart appliance needs servicing. 2.25G connectivity. The rollout of 5G networks has significantly enhanced the capabilities of smart devices by providing faster data speeds, enabling seamless video streaming, real-time gaming, and high-definition video calls. Low latency, critical for applications like autonomous vehicles and remote surgeries. Increased device density, supporting a vast number of devices in smart cities and IoT ecosystems. 2.3 Advanced sensors. Modern smart devices are equipped with a variety of sensors, including biometric sensors for heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even glucose monitoring. Environmental sensors, detecting temperature, humidity, and air quality. Motion sensors, used in devices like gaming controllers and AR/VR headsets. 2.4 Edge computing. Instead of relying solely on cloud-based processing, edge computing enables smart devices to process data locally. This reduces latency and enhances security, particularly for applications requiring real-time responses. 2.5 Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR. Smart devices increasingly incorporate AR and VR capabilities, revolutionizing entertainment, immersive gaming, and virtual movie theaters, education, interactive learning experiences, work, virtual meetings, and collaborative design tools. 3. Applications of smart devices. The versatility of smart devices extends across numerous industries, transforming how we live and work. 3.1 Healthcare remote monitoring. Smartwatches and fitness trackers monitor vital signs and alert users to potential health issues. Telemedicine. Devices facilitate remote consultations with healthcare providers. Medication management. Smart pill dispensers remind patients to take their medications. 3.2 Smart homes automation. Devices like smart thermostats and lighting systems adapt to user preferences and save energy. Security. Smart cameras and doorbells enhance home security by providing real-time alerts and remote access. Convenience. Voice-controlled assistants streamline tasks such as shopping and scheduling. 3.3 Transportation autonomous vehicles. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI, these vehicles navigate roads without human intervention. Smart navigation. Apps like Waze integrate real-time traffic data to optimize routes. Vehicle health monitoring. Smart systems alert drivers to maintenance needs. 3.4 Industrial IoT TOT predictive maintenance reducing downtime by predicting equipment failures. Automation. Robots and smart machines streamline manufacturing processes. Supply chain management. Sensors track shipments and inventory levels in real time. 4. Challenges and ethical considerations. While smart devices offer numerous benefits, they also raise important challenges and ethical concerns. 4.1 Privacy and security data breaches. Sensitive user data can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Surveillance. Concerns about constant monitoring and loss of privacy. Regulations. Striking a balance between innovation and user protection. 4.2 Environmental impact. E-waste. The rapid turnover of devices contributes to electronic waste. Energy consumption. IoT ecosystems require significant energy to operate. Sustainability. Efforts are needed to make devices more environmentally friendly. 4.3 Accessibility and digital divide cost. Advanced smart devices remain inaccessible to many due to high prices. Connectivity. Rural and underserved areas often lack the infrastructure to support smart technologies. Inclusivity. Ensuring devices are usable by individuals with disabilities. The future of smart devices. The future of smart devices is brimming with possibilities, driven by continuous technological advancements. AI evolution. Smarter algorithms that anticipate user needs with even greater accuracy. Sustainable design. Eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient technologies. Interoperability. Seamless communication between devices from different manufacturers. Quantum computing. Unlocking unprecedented processing power for smart devices. Healthcare innovations. Advanced diagnostic tools and real-time health monitoring. Smart devices have redefined how we interact with technology, offering unparalleled convenience, efficiency, and connectivity. As innovations continue to emerge, these devices will play an even more integral role in shaping our lives and the world around us. However, as we embrace these advancements, it is crucial to address the associated challenges, ensuring that technology serves as a force for good. By fostering innovation with responsibility, we can unlock the full potential of smart devices, paving the way for a brighter, smarter future. Before you go, don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.